Hello friends, today I will explain you a very simple topic which is called triple integral. It is also part of multiple integral. So triple integral means there are three integrals will be there. Some function of x, y, z, dx, dy, dz. Here x1 to x2, y1 to y2, z1 to z2. So if all limits same like a double integral, if all limits are constant, then integrate in which order they ask. It means first integrate with respect to x, then y, then z. So actually it's depend on limits. So if all limits are constant, then order as usual what they ask, you do it. When they given limit, suppose z1, z2 are function of xy. This is function of xy, this is function of x, this is function of x, and this is constant. So it means first they given z limit in terms of x, which variable is missing now in first limit. It means that limit is given. So xy given, z1, z2 are in terms of xy, it means z limit given. It means first integrate with respect to z, then z over, so z value over. It means, and then y1, y2 are in terms of x, it means this is y limit because z already over. So z over, then y over, then put x. So this is the way how we integrate. Now we do one question. So how we do? See, here x and z variables are present in first limit. It means y limit given first. It means first we have to integrate with respect to y. So integrate with respect to y means x and z are constant. So this is xy plus y square by 2 plus yz. What is the limit? X minus z2, x plus z, dx, dz. So x plus z, x plus z plus square by 2 plus x plus z into z minus in place of y you put x minus z. Dx, dz. When you simplify, you can easily simplify. Just open and subtract this function. Then this is in terms of z. It means which limit given? X limit given. Already y over. Now this is x limit. And in last, what is given? Z limit. So now we have to integrate with respect to, when you simplify, it will come this is. So I think 2 will be there. So please check it. So now integrate with respect to x. So x square by 2 plus xz outside 2z plus x square z. What is the limit? 0 to z. This is dz. Now put the limit. When 4 z power 4 by 4 minus 1 to 1, which is 0. See, here some calculation is there. What is better if you go for just you take y common and then do, then I think it's so much easy, not become so much lengthy. So it's your choice, you can do integration easily, so please do it. This is easiest topic.